Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can apply pop-ups in your website. Whenever you spend some time on website, some website shows some pop-ups like subscribers regarding some offers as well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can apply these pop-ups in your website for free. Okay. So first of all, these pop-ups are applied by a website that is Convertful. So we are going to log in on that website. Okay, so type here Convertful. Okay, so if I type here Convertful, here is the first website, that is convertful.com. Click on that. Okay, now click on get started for free. Scroll a little bit down and choose the plan of $0 per month. Okay, now you need to create an account here. Okay, now here you need to fill an email address. So we took this as our email. Click on I'm not a robot and create a free account. Okay, now it is asking for a verification code on that particular email. So go to that Gmail and check for the verification code. So if you see here, we have received our Convertful code. Copy that and paste it here. Now click on verify and verify your account. Verify your email address. Now fill your account details and fill your password. Now you can enable this if you want to receive their upgrades emails, and otherwise you can just click on continue. Okay, now here you need to select your domain. So our domain is avlin.in, and then you need to select your platform. So our site platform is WordPress, and if you have other platform then you can search here and select that as well. Okay, now the second is select that is site category. So here we need to select the site category. So our site category is e-commerce. Click on add site. Okay, now it is asking for its now it is asking to connect WordPress site with this Convertful app. So we are going to log in our website, and then we are going to see that how we can verify our website using these two methods. So first of all, log into your website using proper details. Okay, so here is our website dashboard. Now go to plugins area. Go to plugins area and search, click on add new plugin, and now you need to get a new plugin, that is Convertful. Now here is the plugin. Now click on activate. As I have already installed it maybe, so I need to click on activate only. Here our plugin is activated. Now click on settings. Okay, so here we need to connect our website. So click on connect to Convertful. Now click on approve. Okay, so here our connection is completed. Now we can create our visits from here. Okay, so if you go and check connection, the site is connected, you will be redirected to the visit list in 5 seconds. So here you can see we have successfully connected to our Convertful app. Okay, and you can use the tag manager as well. You just need to paste that code in our website where we have installed our header and footer insert plugin, and then you will done in that way as well. Okay, so from here you can create visit for your website. So click on create visit, and here are some pop-ups that you can apply in your website. So you will get a number of designs from here, and you can easily apply them on, and you can easily customize them and apply on your, you can easily custom, and these are customizable and you can apply them on your website. So for example, we choose this and create a floating bar. Okay, so this is how it's going to appear in our website. So we can edit this whole part. Like we want to change that button color to red, you just need to scroll a little bit down, and from here you can select the color of your button. Okay, so in the similar way you can change the color of font and the background as well. So let's change the color of background. Okay, so here we are done with this part. Now go to coupon section, and here you need to give your coupon code, that is here that code is save 10. Okay, when the user will come and fill his email address here and click on get discount, then he will be redirected on this coupon part. So he will get a coupon, and he can use this during the checkout. Okay, so here you can edit the whole section. Okay, now click on save changes and activate this as well. Now we have completed our design part. Now we need to see the display rules. Okay, so here it is the time when we want to show this. So we want to show when the user enters in the website. So like here we have multiple options. If you want to enable when the user intends to leave the page, and there are many other options as well. Okay, so you can decide according to your needs and then click on save changes. If you go to your website and check whether it is applied on your website or not. So this is our website. We are going to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see we are getting our Convertful pop-up. Okay, so now let's fill our email address and click on get discount. So here you can see we have get our code details. Now go to Convertful app, cancel it, and come out of this visit. Okay, so here you are able to see that it's showing us impression, click rates, and conversions as well. Okay, so from here we can get the whole data of our users. So if I go on the subscribers tab, you will be able to see the user details. Okay, so I hope you are able to get my point, and after watching this I hope you are able to apply Convertful pop-ups in your website. And if you are facing any problem in connecting your website with Convertful, then you can contact me through comment sections. And till then, bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching this video.